in this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the thicken command. To explain thicken, I'm selecting the drawing line and click the middle mouse button and now select the thicken command, and there is three types available. First is a single type and the chain type to select the multiple entities, and the loop type to select the loop structures, and you can also assign the end caps to be open or flat or circular type. So now I'm going to select the single and open type. So I just click on the line and enter the thickness value from 0. So I'm giving 25, and the offset direction is towards here. I want it to be opposite, so I'm going to provide a negative value to it. I'm going to type -50 and press the middle mouse button or enter. So you may see that it is thickened and it is offsetted as well. So I'm deleting, and the next type we are going to say is the flat type. So again I select this line and enter the same value as in the previous case. Now you see that the open ends are connected by means of a line. This is called the flat type. And the third type in caps is the circular. I'm going to select same line and enter the same value as the previous one. Now you see that these open ends are connected by means of a circular type. So the next type we are going to see is the chain type. For explaining the chain type, I'm drawing a corner rectangle like this. And now click on the thicken command and select the chain type. And I'm going to end caps is I'm going to assign it as flat type. So now holding the control key, press the two edges of the rectangle and click on accept and enter the thickness value. And I want the offset to be opposite direction, so I'm giving negative value to it. Now you see that the chain type is created and with the open ends are becoming flat type. So the next type I'm going to explain is the loop type. So now click on the thicken command again. So in the in the thicken, select thicken edge, you select that as loop type. So now select one edge of the rectangle and enter the thickness value. I want my offset to be in the opposite direction, so I'm providing a negative value to it, -50, enter. Now you see that these rectangles is create off the entire rectangle is offsetted and they can. So this is called the loop type. Thank you.